There's no defeated problems that were too big for you. When you trust the Lord to guide you and lead you every day, there's no too defeated problems that were too big for you. Believe in God. The things He allowed that to happen in your life for you to come unto Him, for you to be dependent on Him. He loves you. It might be too big, the problem is, but don't worry. There's no defeated problems that were too big for the Lord. So, trust Him.